Hello and welcome back. So today I got a package in off of eBay. I finally won finally won a bidding on eBay. It took me a minute, but I finally got something. This one I have won a bunch of different American locks. So and these are actually kind of cool. This is a focus for me, a 5570. Has a working key, spring loaded, has a Phillips head down the shackle, and a removable core. The date code is XGG, which I looked up because I wanted to know, because this looks like it's been used, and I was curious. And XGG is March of 2088. So I thought that was kind of neat. I figured I would go through these locks, these Americans that I got. So this is the first one. This is bidding on the key. Pretty good bidding. But let's put it in the vise and see if I can get it open. Alright. I don't know if my gem will fit in there, but I will give it a shot. Yeah, it'll fit. Alright. And top keyway. Get tension there. I will zoom in for you guys. See if maybe we can get some focus going on this camera. Come on now. There we go. All right. So I am going to start in the back of the lock and just kind of light tension as usual on Americans and see if I can find a binder. All right. That's 4, 3, 2, couple clicks. A little bit more on 4. That was 1. I think I just overset. I'll let off a little bit. All right, come on now. That was 1 again. 3. A little bit more on 1. 5. A little bit. And it's open. There we go. That was on 3. Okay. Well, let's open it up and see what they put in this American model series 5570. Pull this out of the way. Get my pin and tray. Vise out of the way. Pretty excited I got this off of that I actually won something. I don't, very rarely it seems like I always get outbid because people are willing to pay more than I am. I'm kind of a bargain shopper on eBay, not much for, wow, that Phillips is not big enough. Get a bigger Phillips head. Oh, that's tight. Okay, well, I don't think that one's been off of there since 1988. So let's grab a bigger one. There we go. Nice. Out of the way now. And I've got end and that. And screw, and out it comes. Awesome. All right, looks like we got a little clip. Get it off of there. Like that. And of course I need my small follower. And of course it's flip it all the way around. Oh, of course. Oh, whoa, whoa, there, buddy. There we go. Let's try that again. About screwed up, guys. I did screw up. I knocked those first two pins out. That's okay. I do have a key. So, all right. Those two were in number 2. So, all right. 1 serrated. That was 2, and it was standard. 3 was wafered. Wow. Okay. 2, 3 were both very short pins with wafers. 4 was short pins with wafers, and 5 was a short pin with wafer. 1 was the only standard or serrated pin. The rest of them all had wafers, which is why this probably picked so easy. All right, and they only had 5 of the chambers populated, and instead of 6. So let's see what we have upstairs. And keep in the driver, the first one, very light springs. It's a serrated. And number 2, very light spring and another serrated. And number 3, very light spring and another serrated. Number 4, very light spring and another serrated. And in number 5, ooh, a very strong spring. And looks like, no, it wasn't a very strong spring. It's a very light spring, but it was one of those wafers and another serrated. So that is what we had in this American 5570. Nothing done upstairs, obviously. It's just a, well, actually, look at that again. Nope, just very weak springs. All right, put this down there. See if I can lift this up. Kind of show you guys what kind of the serrated pins in this lock. Get this to focus. All right, in 1 I had a serrated key pin and a serrated. In 2 I had a small key pin and wafer and a serrated in the driver. 3 had a standard and a wafer and a serrated driver. And 4 it was the same, and in 5 it was the same. All serrated drivers and a serrated in 1. So for a key pin. But that's what I had in this 5570. Stay tuned. I've got more American locks to come. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching, and don't break the law.